Welcome to this edition of the First Aid Show. In this video, we asked a paramedic if they were designing a first aid course, what is important to include?
I think if I had the chance to design first aid courses, the thing that I would really like to reinforce is you cannot ever skip a really good, effective, basic assessment of the casualty. So as long as you are safe, looking and making sure that they have a good airway, making sure that they're breathing and the breathing is effective, checking to see if they've got a circulation, if not, starting chest compressions. Like that stepwise approach and doing all those basic checks is so important. And at every level, whether you're learning at school level, because a grandparent is passed out in the lounge and you want to teach the children what to do and when to call for help and that they know their phone number and their address, or whether it's even for the air ambulance when they train the doctors and the critical care paramedics, they always reinforce, do all the basics really effectively and don't ever skip past them. It tells you so much about the situation and the patient's condition.